This is Dr. Abhirami, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri Sharda College for Women, Autonomous, Salem. In this video, I am going to talk about what is e-marketing, what are the advantages of e-marketing and disadvantages of it. Let's see what is e-marketing. E-marketing is the short form of electronic marketing. E-marketing is a mix of modern communication technology and traditional principles that a seller or the marketer usually applies into their businesses. It is the process of marketing a product or service using the internet. E-marketing is not only includes marketing on the internet, but also it includes marketing done via email and wireless media. It has a range of technologies to help connect businesses to their consumers. E-marketing is a very effective and efficient trending technology that which promotes high sales to a businessman. And it builds brand image to a manufacturers for his or her products. It is a great source to directly communicate with consumers to increase the sales as well as product awareness. Now, these are the different names of e-marketing. E-marketing are also known as internet marketing, web marketing, digital marketing or online marketing. We are living in an era of electronic revolution. It's needless to say that e-marketing offers tremendous scope for business as well as consumers. Because of the big boom in the marketing, more and more banks are offering facilities for performing banking transactions through online. On the other hand, I would say that online banking is found useful by only consumers, those who choose e-marketing. Now, let's see what are the advantages of e-marketing. The very first and the foremost advantage is the response rate of the internet marketing is very high, very, very high. People from worldwide can access it. The availability of product information is an important benefit, and consumers can log on to the website, can learn about the product from any time, from anywhere in the world, and then they can make a purchase. Really, it reaches millions of people overnight. That is the important and the major advantage of e-marketing. Internet marketing also less expensive when compared with traditional marketing medias like newspapers, radio and television. Companies that use internet marketing can save lots of money in view of the reduced need of sales personals. It has a great ability to provide wide range of data collections that in turn can be used by the seller or by the manufacturer as a feedback from their consumers. It is a personalized marketing with a right planning and marketing strategy. A consumer can made to feel that he or she is directly communicating with the manufacturer of a product. It increases the exposure of the products and services to the greater extent. The boundless universal accessibility is the most beautiful part of the online world. These are the major advantages of e-marketing. Now let us see about the disadvantages of it. It is completely depend on technology and the internet connection. If the internet connection is slow, then it may completely difficult for the consumer to go on further. If the web pages are large, the internet users may find it difficult to download the informations about the products. It does not provide scope for consumers to touch, smell, and taste the products before they make purchase. It's another disadvantage. When we launch a product online, it creates a global competition. So it is another most important disadvantages of e-marketing. And when it comes to privacy and security issues, it creates high risk because it's a open forum. Anyone can access from anywhere. So it's high risky. So one has to be very cautious about what goes on online. It also leads to a lot of transparency and price competitions. Then, in the fast changing technological environment, the maintenance cost of modern technology will be very high in future. So these are the few disadvantages of e-marketing. Thanks for patient listening. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you once again.